everyone, welcome to Glamorous Jazz. This is Jasleen Kaur. So this is my first video on my YouTube channel where I will be posting videos related to makeup. So please keep supporting and without wasting any time, let's move into the video.
So the first product I'm gonna be using is the Calendula Moisturizing Serum by the Face Shop. In addition to moisturizing your skin, this will also fill your pores and work as a primer, so you can skip applying primer if you're using this. Next, we will be moving to concealer. The one I'm using is the LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer. This comes in a lot of shade variants, so you can choose accordingly. This works great in hiding dark circles or blemishes, so you might wanna try it out. The key to a good base is blending and a lot of blending, so make sure you blend your concealer really well. You can use a brush or a beauty blender. Since I will be doing eye makeup first, I'm gonna go in with the shade dark brown on my outer corner. The palette I used here is Forever 21's matte palette. Now going in with a shade darker to add a bit more to my eye makeup. Right now, I'm applying translucent powder by Mistral of Milan. This allows the heat from your face to set your concealer firmly into place. The eyeshadow palette I am using here is Milani's Fierce Foil Eyeshine 01. Now, I will be applying the shade bronze on the outer corner of my inner lid. Moving further, I am applying the shade Champagne on the inner corner. Now, you wouldn't want to swipe it across your lid because it rubs away most of the product, but rather slowly tap it so that you can get the most out of it. Now I am applying Milani's matte liquid eyeliner. I may do a separate video on how to apply winged eyeliner, so stay tuned for that. The mascara I am using is Mistral of Milan's Showtime. While applying mascara, you need to gently shake it in order to make sure your lashes don't stick together. Now, I forgot to do lower lid first, but I would suggest you to do that before eyeliner and mascara. This shade I am using is the lighter shade of the one I applied last time. The next product is Nykaa's Duo Highlighter and Bronzer. Here I am applying the highlighter on the inner corner of my lower lid. Right now, I'm removing the loose powder since the baking process needed only 5 to 10 minutes. To do my brows, I am using Nika's Brow Chica Wow Coven Cocoa 01.
I know this sounds funny, but focus on brows.
Moving on to the base, I am using Sugar's Ace of Face foundation stick. For blending, I am using a beauty blender. Make sure your blender is not very moist but just a little damp.
Take the foundation down to your neck unless you want your face to look like a cake, which I'm pretty sure is not the case.
Yet again comes the concealer. Apply it on your smile line, forehead, around your nose and wherever you feel is necessary. For contouring my face, I am using Milani's Highlight and Contour Cream Liquid Duo. Apply it under your cheekbones, jawline, and on the side of your nose, and forehead. Then blend it properly. For bronzing, I am using Milani's All Over Glow Bronzer above the contour.
Pop on some blush on your cheeks to make them cherry red. The one I'm using is the Balm Spring.
Now, highlight the high areas of your face using a highlighter. The one I'm using is Sugar's in the shade of Soft Gold. Moving to the tail end of the video and hence the makeup application, I'm applying Matte as Halcyon lipstick by Sugar. And finally, it's done.